A Boston University School of Medicine study, which examined 46,000 men with no previous history of gout and also examined the consumption of sugar of those men for the 12-year period by compiling data on food intake of more than 130 foods and beverages, which included regular and diet soft drinks, as well as fruits and fruit juices, found that those who drank more sweetened soft drinks, the more risk increased for developing a gout attack. Compared to men who only drank one soft drink a month, those that drank 5 to 6 soft drinks a week had a 29% higher chance of developing gout, and those that drank 2 or more soft drinks a day had an 85% chance of developing the disease. The study also concluded that diet soft drinks were not linked with the risk of developing gout. What about drinking fruit juice? Nothing wrong with that, right? Wrong. Foods that are rich in fructose, such as fruits like apples, oranges, and fruit juices, were linked with an increased risk of developing gout.